Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we have go ahead and how to ghost private games in Peak. So let's start. So first we can check these steps, that is go ahead and download the BPNX zip file from Thunder Store. So have to extract the zip file into a Peak game file. To find it on the PC, right click on the game in your Steam library, hit manage and then browse local files. Boot the game up and then close it. Download the actual Peak Unlimited mode and then look for Picnic copy it. I head inside Pix folder and go into Mixing plugins, paste the DL file in there, and it goes smoothly. You should be able to host and top of players. If you like to edit the max number of players, you can edit the configuration, which can be found on Pick Phoenix configuration Pick Limit Heart. That's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.